Hi, everybody. I hope everybody's well. We miss you. Hope to see you soon. The name of the book I'm going to read today is called My Car by Byron Barton. I am Sam, and this is my car. I love my car. I keep my car clean. My car needs oil and a full tank of gasoline. My car has many parts. It has a body, an engine, the steering wheel, wheels, and the frame. My car has lights to see at night and windshield wipers to see in the rain. When I drive carefully. I obey the laws. I stop for pedestrians. Those are people who cross the street. And I follow the signs. I drive my car to many places. I drive my car to work. Look, there's a bus. But when I work, look, Sam's a bus driver. I drive my bus.